New York City guide sharing the best of New York City's food, adventures, and apartments, and today I'm sharing this $1 million home here at 277 5th Avenue. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share with friends. Let's get this tour started. 277 5th Avenue is centrally located in Manhattan's Nomad neighborhood, only a few blocks from the Empire State Building and the Flatiron Building. Today, I'm taking you with me on a tour of apartment 14D, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with the asking price of $3.1 million. This building was designed by Raphael Vignoli with interiors by Jeffrey Beers International. The 55-story tower has 130 residences, with 1 to 4 bedrooms and panoramic views of the Empire State Building, Chrysler Building, Flatiron Building, and downtown to the One World Trade Center. A few of my favorite features are the floor-to-ceiling windows, walk-in closets, the beautiful kitchen marble counters and backsplash, and the building amenities. The residents can enjoy a lobby library, fitness club, games lounge, kids club, and an entertainment suite with bar and private dining room. The interiors incorporate a warm mix of natural materials from Italian marble to white oak and walnut. I'm Jen. Thank you so much for taking this tour of 277 5th with me. If you enjoyed it, please click the subscribe and bell button so you don't miss a future video. I do a ton of videos on New York City, food, adventures, and apartments. As always, say yes to new adventures, and I'll see you next time. Bye.